You ever wonder who decides the names of hurricanes like Gilbert, Ivan, or Beryl?
Hell yes.
It's not random and it's not politics. It's a global system that's been running for decades. Before the 1900s, hurricanes didn't have official names. People used to call them by the place they destroyed, like the Great Kingston Hurricane or the 1780 storm. But as technology improved and weather reports spread, it got confusing.
It's tremendously big and tremendously wet.
Imagine trying to track 3 storms in one region with no names. So meteorologists started using women's names during World War II because US Army and Navy forecasters said it was easier to remember. Then in 1953, the US National Hurricane Center made it official. Every storm in the Atlantic got a woman's name, from Alice to Hazel. But in 1979, people said that was unfair. So now the system uses both male and female names, alternating each year. The names are chosen by the World Meteorological Organization, WMO. They have 6 rotating lists, so the same names return every 6 years unless a storm is too deadly or costly. If that happens, like Gilbert 1988 or Katrina 2005, that name is retired forever out of respect for the lives lost. So when you hear Hurricane Beryl or Hurricane Ivan, that's not random. It's a name from an international list used by scientists, not politicians. And once a name goes down in history, it never comes back. Follow Alpha and Facts for more truths they never teach in school.